Hey guys, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In this updated video, we're going to show you how to find the battery cycle count on your iPhone on iOS 16. Now, we did a previous video on this on the older iOS version, but it has changed, so we're going to show you how to do it on iOS 16 and possibly on the newer iOS version. It's probably going to be similar. So in order to do that, what you'll do is go into your settings. So once you go into your settings here, you'll want to go ahead to your privacy and security. So under privacy and security, you want to go all the way down here where it says analytics and improvement. You want to click on that. Now, the way this will work is if you have your share iPhone analytic turned on. If you don't, you'll need to turn that on and wait about 24 to 48 hours after that, and then come back, and then it will collect some data around your phone's analytic, and then you'll be able to do that. So if this is turned off by default, you won't be able to do that. So make sure it turn on and wait about 24 to 48 hours. After you have done that, you'll be able to click on this for the data itself, and you'll see there's a bunch of these files across the board here, and you'll see a bunch of stuff going on here. So what you'll be looking for is this specific file called analytics, and then the date of that of the phone. So as you can see here right now, the current date, the last one for this one for us would be 2023-03-25. So we're going to click on that. So analytics dash and that one. You can search it as well, like if you can't find it, because you have a lot of files, you can search up analytics and then you'll find this, and then you'll see all this stuff in here. It's a bunch of mumbo jumbo, basically stuff that to a regular person wouldn't really make sense, but we don't really care about all of that. We're going to want to copy this because we need to find a certain data. So if I click on this, it's hard to really do much with this. So what I'll need to do is go ahead and copy this actual file here, and the way to do it is pressing and holding, and you're going to want to go ahead and go like this, and you'll select all and keep on going down. It will go down all the way to the bottom here. So we're going to go all the way to the bottom, at least up to bottom, doesn't matter. Basically, you want to get most of this, and then you'll copy this over, and then once you copy this over, you'll go to your notes, and then you'll create a new note here, and I'm going to go ahead and press and hold. So if you press and hold, right, you'll get the option to paste, and you'll see a bunch of stuff again, all of that copied over. Now we're going to hit that done button, and once you hit that done button, we're going to want to click on these three dots up top here, and then you'll see here find in note. We're going to click on find in note, and then what we'll type in or look for is this specific thing called last underscore. So click on this underscore value, and then underscore one more time. So you'll see here, and then the underscore that we're looking for is cycle count. So we're going to do cycle and then count. And once I do that, you'll see it will take us to this value called last value cycle count, and after that you'll see a number called 68. So as you can see here, the battery cycle on this phone is at a 68 right now. So that's really important to know, because what Apple says is a normal battery is designed to retain about 80% of its original capacity at 500 cycles. So if you're at 500 already, that means that the battery life will be able to retain about 80% of what it is rated to be for its capacity. So keep that in mind. So usually 500 is a good number. If this number is more than 500, you might start thinking, this battery has worn out more than it has. It doesn't mean that the phone is bad itself, but after 500, usually you'll notice significant decrease in the battery life of it. But this is a really good way to go ahead and check the actual percentage, because if I go back here, show you guys one more thing, right? If I go to this phone, right, to the actual battery itself by going to settings and then the battery and then the charger, it says 100% capacity, but this doesn't really make sense because it's already a 68 battery cycle here, so this should be a little bit lower. But it's really good way to check your how long the phone's been used. So that 68 number is more accurate number reading for this phone. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.